kita bilang suruh papa kita minta nyapa rampuan sahabat sahabat sambarang tar.
Hello, good morning, sure.
Sorry to interrupt you for a time.
Oh, okay, no problem, sure.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Maisanur Fadli. I'm from Tangerang. I'm a representative of PT Topsera Tbk. At this meeting, my aim and objective to invite you. I'm build a factory at the IKN.
Benefit can I get from collaborating with you?
It will be in half. Do you agree, sir?
Yes,
Ya.
good idea. Yes, I'm agree.
Okay, maybe that's all I want to say. Thank you for your time, sir.
Okay, you're welcome, sure.
Selesai bro, kita bilang suruh papa kita